Welcome to our guide on transferring crypto from eToro to your wallet. Today, we'll explore the exciting features of eToro and how you can securely manage your cryptocurrencies. Transferring your cryptocurrency to a personal wallet gives you increased security, control, and flexibility. It's like having your own digital vault. First, we need to enable crypto withdrawal on your eToro account. Navigate to Settings and find the withdrawal options under the Crypto section. Now, let's locate your crypto assets. Go to your portfolio and you'll see your holdings listed by their respective values. Choosing the right wallet is crucial, whether it's a hardware wallet for maximum security or a mobile wallet for convenience. Make sure it suits your needs. Let's dive into the transfer process. Click on your crypto asset, select the transfer option, and follow the prompts to input your wallet address. For your security, eToro requires a verification step. You'll receive a confirmation email or SMS to ensure it's really you making the transfer. Be aware of transaction times and potential fees. Transfers typically take a few hours to several days, depending on network conditions. If you encounter issues, here are some common troubleshooting tips. Always double-check wallet addresses and ensure your eToro account is verified. In conclusion, managing your crypto safely is essential. Follow these best practices to keep your assets secure and accessible.